Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
China's manufacturing activity expanded at the fastest pace in 3 months in February, as new orders and higher purchase volumes led to a solid rise in production, an official factory survey showed. The official Purchasing Managers Index rose to 50.2 in February. Gold prices fell over 1% to end the week as the dollar held close to 2-week highs after US inflation data came in line with expectations, suggesting the Federal Reserve may adopt a cautious stance on additional rate cuts. Oil prices fell on Friday and were headed for their first monthly drop since November, as markets watched an Oval Office argument between the US and Ukrainian presidents, while also bracing for Washington's new tariffs and Iraq's decision to resume oil exports from the Kurdistan region.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is in oversold territory. Crude oil prices edged lower in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.